Are you tired of living so close to your neighbors that you know what they're cooking for dinner every night? I have an amazing opportunity for you just 45 minutes outside of Charleston. Stay tuned and let me tell you all about it. I had a wonderful childhood growing up in small town Pennsylvania. After graduating college, I worked in the golf industry. Soon, I was recruited to be the executive director of the Women's South Carolina Golf Association, which brought me to Charleston, where I fell in love with all this great city has to offer. Pristine beaches, the history, and the championship caliber golf. Now, I spend my days helping others live their dream lifestyle here in this beautiful state. I'm Jennifer O'Brien, and this is Living the Charleston Coast Lifestyle. 318 Old House Lane is 2 acres of sweeping water views to the creek off of Dewees, the Intercoastal Waterway, and Mount Pleasant in the distance. Your home site would be right next to that roof over this way. And you can see there are no other neighbors around you. This is some of the sweeping marsh and creek views that you'll get from your porch. And you'll be only 2 home sites away from this community dock. Let's go take a look at the view from your home site. One of the really great features about the location of this home site is that all of this land right here behind me, that is a protected area. So there will be no neighbors across the street. So from this view, it really does look like a lot of trees, but that is a fantastic sign for your lot because that means you really do have a lot of high ground. That is your nearest and only neighbor. Your home will be at least 50 feet from theirs. Well, y'all, here is a look of the view from your property and what it could look like from the ground level. Just imagine if you got up higher, what this view would look like. You'll see the creek, you'll see the Intercoastal Waterway, and Mount Pleasant there in the distance. Another great feature of where the neighbor is located, I am actually pointing my camera right at their house. And because they sit so much further back than where you would probably want to build your home, you will never see them. There's also several stunning oaks on this home site that I would definitely say you should incorporate in your home design. So yeah, 318 Old House Lane checks a lot of the boxes. It is quiet, it's peaceful, and it's only 45 minutes from downtown Charleston. If you're interested in this type of paradise for under $80,000, give me a call, let's schedule a tour. Got questions about buying or selling a home on the Charleston coast? Call or text me, Jennifer O'Brien, at 610-283-0867 for a free copy of my exclusive Charleston Locals Guide with my hand-picked recommendations of the very best restaurants, tours, and fun activities throughout the Charleston area. Visit my website at jenniferobrienhomes.com. This is Jennifer O'Brien. Until next time on Living the Charleston Coast Lifestyle.